Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission. In the beginning, start the car by pressing engine start stop. Before, press brake. Now, right here behind the steering wheel, we've got this lever. Push it upwards like this to select drive, downwards to select neutral, and downwards twice to select reverse. Press button located on the top of the shifter to select parking. And that's basically it. Perform this with the brake depressed. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.